Keep reeling, keep reeling. All right, you're on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yadira.
You too.
Darian. You're doing a great job. Keep reeling. Okay, and you kind of steer the head with pull. Keep reel, 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 reel. And then when he gets close, you put... Oh, shit, get out of there. Okay, keep reeling, keep reeling. You gotta get him in before he gets off. Pull up on your pole now. See, perfect. Classic. That's how you do it. And looks legit.
Yeah, buddy.
Completely legit. Woo! Good job. Ah.
Oh, sorry.
So what do you think, Yadira? Is it worth it?
Nice, yeah.
Right on.
The throw up was worth it, guys.
Yes. It's over. Here, hold on your diver. That's the best thing to hold on. And just lean against the boat. Hold this. There. Smacking me in the head. Like that. Look at it. Hooks come off. The hooks come off every time too. Are you fishing again? Yep.
Do you want me to speed up?
I don't know, just get the right speed.
Sorry, buddy.
Alright, sit there. Get a little bit of bait going. Like that. Little sucker on there. Aim us back towards the wind, basically.
What kind of salmon was that?
Coho.
Is that always caught and catch?
So far, yeah. Yes. Yeah, do not be the wild thing. All right. That's there. So let's take that out one and speed it up a little bit. That in there. But here. Thank you. And the top one. Yeah, you definitely want to wash your shoes after this because this stuff stinks. So if you got any on your shoes. I had a pair I left in my truck and my truck smells horrible now. I actually left these shoes in my truck for the last week. After being out here, the truck doesn't smell too good.
Yeah, these are my gym shoes.
There you go. All right, so now, finish what I was doing. Hopefully this pole is out far enough I don't get hung up. Let's try it out. Here, will you do me a favor? Actually grab this pole and just kind of point it out that way because I want to get away from the downrigger. Just point the tip out there. Hopefully this doesn't turn into a disaster. far so good. Alrighty, now you can put it back. Good to go, right there. Perfect. Oh man. Well, this is what I'd call probably a decent area to fish. All looks good. Guess I'll do a little walk around on the boat. There's electronics, autopilot. It's got all that stuff. It's Darien. Bathroom's in there. Doing a walk around now.
Oh yeah.
You got to do for the YouTube action. Basically trolling with one engine right now. Picked up the troll a little bit. Slow it down a little bit. Day so far. Lots of action.
Lots of fish.
Yeah. Jerry, is this your first time salmon fishing?
Out on the ocean, yeah.
Right on.
It is, yeah.
I know it's yours, right, Yadira? Tighten those up a little bit. Alrighty, yeah. So we got 2 poles on the divers, shallow, and then 1 on the downrigger. Just crank the drag a little bit. Just forward a little bit. Not a lot. There you go.
Does this let you pick how deep in feet you want it? Is that
Yeah.
what you're saying, like 50 feet?
This is up, you just flip that on, it automatically comes up and then stops. And this here, you pull this back and it lets it go down. So like if I went like this, right now it's at 50.
So let's drop it down.
Or 50 feet of line, but you know, it's
Yeah.
that's where I caught the king last week.
Nice.
And that's, if you look at on the depth finder, that's where a lot of this stuff is too. You see right here, 40, 50, 25 feet. I might be a little deep. Might bring it up a little bit. So then you just flip it to on right here. And it brings up, you know, bring it up like 10 feet. Tighten this back up. Hopefully that release doesn't get all wrapped around again. All right, I'll call it quits for now.